Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will show you really quickly how you can download and install the Zoom application on your computer, for example on Windows 10. So let's get started. In the first step, head over to Google and type in the search bar something like Zoom or Zoom app and click on that search entry here, download Zoom for Windows. That will take you to Zoom's download center where you can download the newest version, which is this one here, either as a 64-bit version or the 32-bit version. I will go with the 64-bit version for demonstration purposes. What about the system requirements? Can you install Zoom also on Windows 10 operating system? Well, if we head over to this section here, system requirements, and scroll down a bit further, we will see that Windows 10 is amongst the supported operating systems, along with operating systems such as Mac OS, Windows 11, and so on and so forth. However, Windows 7 as well as Windows 8 will stop being supported as operating systems here on Zoom pretty soon. But if you're a user of Windows 10 or 11, you can still use Zoom on your computer. So once the download launcher has been downloaded on your computer, head over to your output folder and launch the installation process. Installing Zoom shouldn't take you more than up to a few seconds. I'd say it usually goes pretty fast. Wait for your computer to finish installing, and once Zoom has been installed on your computer, you will be given the opportunity to sign up for a free account to use Zoom on your computer. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a great day.